Hello, friends. I am, well, I'm not going to tell you about who I am because that is not important. The main important question is why am I here? I, I'll give you a general introduction about myself. I am a mom, stay at home, working, living with parents, not living with parents, living with in laws, not living with in laws. I'm not going to go into all of that because people tend to judge that. I am a mom, so I have a kid, and my kid is a toddler age now. He's 2 years right now, so the most difficult of age. So, um, I have to tackle, manage, handle him throughout the day, and during this lockdown period, it's even more hectic. And no, don't get me wrong. I'm not here to give you any parenting guidance, parenting gyan, advices, nothing like that. I'm just here to share my experiences and to know your experiences, whether you also going through the same thing or not, or am I missing out on something, or if I did I do something wrong or did I do something right that I want to share with you, whatever. So it is just whether we are on the same boat or not. So that is what I just want to share with you all. And so since I'm a toddler mom, and there's terrible twos as they say. The one thing that I've done with my kid is from the very beginning is he's absolutely on a no screen time basis, so he does not have an access to the phone, iPhone, iPad, the laptops, nothing. So it's even more difficult if you don't give the phone to them, so it's even more difficult to keep them busy. And now that I'm 24/7 at home, and even he's at home, he normally goes to school, but now he cannot. So it's even difficult for them to keep them busy, and it's a task on you because you have to keep them busy 24 hours. So what do I do? I just want to share my. I don't know if it's wrong, right, whatever. Now, even if I buy bare minimum toys for him, I do not buy much toys for him. And even if I buy those are the wooden ones, the activity ones, because if I buy, he'll be interested for it like 10 minutes, and after that, he will not be interested in it. So I try to use much of household items to keep him busy so that he is because the toys after that, if it breaks, you cannot even recycle those toys. So household items are better. I'll try to find those items which does not have a sharp edge, or which are not that risky for the kids to handle, and does have an interesting aspect of it, so that he'll be interested to do or play or learn something from it. So now, since he's in his 2 years now, he's 2 years now, so I've started teaching him the colors, shapes, because whatever way you teach him, you give him the iPad, you give him through the laptops, through the different channels, or homeschooling, or you absolutely depend on the schools, whatever be it. uh, he has to be updated, right? Because gradually he'll go into high school, so he has to know, right? So right now he is learning the shapes, the colors, the counting. So I have come up with a very simple idea of how to make him do that. I don't know it's right, wrong, it's the correct way, or I'm just sharing my experience. So for the colors, he was initially he was very interested in my bindis. When I used to wear saris, I used to wear bindis, and through that I made him learn few colors. And then gradually, and I also live in an apartment, so there's not much space. It's a 3 BHK apartment, so there's not much space for him to run around, or but whatever little space I have, I made him do the counting and learn colors through Tupperware bottles. These are there. I did not buy them, and I'm telling you that when I replace this, I'll replace them with much more environment friendly bottles. But right now we have it, and it's locked down, so we can't even go out. So well, and it comes in different colors. So this is one way of making him learn the colors and also the counting part, and it's an activity for him. It's not that I'm making him sit and learn the colors or count it, right? So you can put it wherever it's a corridor, shape place if you have in your apartment, or even not, if it's a round, if it's square shape in your drawing room, whatever big, you can just shift the sofa a bit, and you can keep it there, and you can keep it in a circle and tell them to bring the colors. I'm going to share the video of how I made him do that in my next video. This is my first video, so here I'm just telling you. So this is one of the ways. So this is a full bottle and this is an empty bottle, so it is easier for them if it's an empty bottle. So you may have to refill. That work you have to do. You have to refill it, or because first, if it's a full, then you have to put it somewhere. Don't waste water, please don't waste water. Put it in a pan or something, and then again refill it. That work we have to do. So these are all, so see how many colors it comes. We have many. We have a set of Tupperware bottles, so I'm going to change it. So this is green, this is yellow, purple, pink, red. We have many other ones. So right now these are, and that is why you may be wondering, that is why I'm doing this, my first video in the kitchen. And let me tell you one thing, many of his playthings, the ones he's interesting, comes from the kitchen. And these bottles, if I'm telling, if you may notice, this does not have any sharp edge, nothing. So no way it can hurt him. So that is one way. And actually I felt that my son really enjoyed the activity. He really enjoyed doing it, and that's a fun way of learning as well. Normal counting from the books, from the that's there, he does that. But for starting time, learning from the book directly, he may be your kids may be a bit hesitant, right, or resistant. So this is a fun way of learning it. So you may try it, and if I've done it wrongly, if I've not the best way of doing it, then please do come up with any suggestions that you have, and I'll surely try it. And I'm not asking you to try this, please. This is just my experience that I'm sharing with you, and I'll come up with other ways that I have managed, handled, tackled my kid till now, who is on only one thing I have in my mind is on a 0 screen time. I know eventually when he'll go up to school, he'll get his homework on to be done on iPads. Maybe he'll get, it's absolutely, maybe in future is absolutely online, but when he'll go into that, we'll go with the flow. But right now he does not need to do that, so we're trying to keep him off it, and that is why I come up with these various crazy, weird ways of teaching him. And I think he enjoys it, I enjoy it. Household items, there's a different use of the plastic bottles, so it's not only used for keeping water, you can use it for different purposes. And so that's it. Thank you. If you like it, please improvise it. You can directly put it to use, whatever. And if you have any other plans, please do come and share with me. Thank you so much.